Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 11, 2023. Hard Sudoku. 6th row on 7th row on column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 4. Second row also we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, we have 4. Column I also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 10th row and 8th row we have 4. Column H, column I we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, column C we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column H, column J we have 6. Second row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Second row, 4th row we have 6. Column G also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column F, column G we have 6. 7th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E and third row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come here one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column E, column F we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then column G, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 8, 3. 5th row we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come here one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 8, 9. Column E we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row, 4 numbers are remaining 5, 7, 1, 8. Column C, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come these cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 7th row we have 8. Column J also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Third grade, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 5, 7. Column I we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 6th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column D, column B we have 9. Second row also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 2. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column H and 10th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column C we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row and 6th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 6th row, 7th row we have pair numbers 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will give me another 2 cells. Column which we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column which 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 9. 9th row we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column J we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 7th row we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 5. It will give me one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Column G we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 3rd grade, only one number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 7 also here. Column C, column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 6th row, only one number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 2nd grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 3. Column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 2nd row, only one number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 3. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column E, only one number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then column F, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 8, 7. 10th row and 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 is confirmed here. 9th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 9th row and 10th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 8. 9th row we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.